Hi friends, welcome to my channel Math Carepar. Today we are going to discuss a question that is related to ordinary differential equation. Let's go to see the questions. The question says, if yx be the solution of the differential equation d square y by dx square plus 1 by x into dy by dx equal to minus 1 such that y dash of 0 equal to 0 equal to y of 1. Then first option says yx is an even function. Second option says yx has two real and distinct root. Option third says yx is a periodic function of period 2 pi. Option D says y of 0 equal to y of minus 1 equal to Akitchar. So let's go to see the solution. The given that d square y by dx square equal to 1 by x into dy by dx equal to minus 1. First we multiply both sides of this equation by x. We get d square x square plus dy by dx equal to minus x. Now we write this as dy by dx equal to minus x. Next, d of x into dy by dx equal to minus x into dx. Now we integrate both sides of this equation with respect to x. X into dy by dx equal to minus x into dx. Integrating, we get dy by dx equal to minus x square by 2 plus c1, where c1 is an arbitrary constant. Now we divide both sides by x. dy by dx equal to minus x by 2 c1 by x. Now we multiply both sides by dx. dy by x square by 2 into dx, x by 2 into dx plus c1 x into dx. Again we integrate. We get yx equal to x square by 4 c1 into log x plus c2. c2 is an arbitrary constant. Now we verify these options. Now we put these values. Given y of 0 equal to 0. So in place of x, we put x equal to 0, 0 plus another also given y of 1. So y of 1 and y dash of 0, this given First we put y of 1 by 4 plus c1 log of 1 plus c2. Since y of 1 equal to 0, so we can write this. So 0 equal 1 by 4 plus c2 implies c2 equal to 1 by 4. Next we differentiate this. Given y of x equal to minus x square by 4 plus c1 log x plus c2, y dash x equal to x by 2 plus c1 x equal to 0, to x equal to x square plus 2c1, to x into y dash x minus x square plus 2c1. Now we use this. So in place of x we use the value 0. We get 0 minus 0 plus 2c1. This gives 0. Finally we get y of x equal to x square by 4 plus c1 log x plus c2. Already we get c1 equal to 0 and c2 equal to 1 by 4. So finally we get 1 minus x square. Now we verify each of the options. Option A says yx is an even function. Explanation of option A. To check it is even or not, just to verify y of minus x equal to x. If this condition is satisfied, then it is even function. Since y of minus x equal to 1 by 4 1 minus x square. This is also 1 by 4 1 minus x square yx. So this shows that yx is an even function. অতএব yx is an even function. So this option is correct. This option is correct. Next we see the next option. Yx has two real and distinct root. Explanation of option B. Yx equal to 0, which gives 1 minus x square equal to 0, x equal to plus minus 1. So this option is correct. So this option is correct. Next we check the option C. Option C. Yx is a periodic function of period 2 pi. Explanation of option C. If yx is periodic with period 2 pi, then it satisfies x plus 2 pi equal to yx. If it does not satisfy it, then we cannot say periodic. Also, if we see the graph of the function, we get this 1 0 minus 1 0. Since by the pictorial scenario we can also give the conclusion that this function is not periodic. Also, this condition is not satisfied here. That's why this function is not periodic. Yx is not periodic. So this option is wrong. Option is wrong. Next we check the last option. We evaluate these values, y of 0 plus y of minus 1. Explanation of option D, y of 0 plus y of minus 1. Y of 0 which is 1 by 4 and y of minus 1 which is this. So finally we get this 0, 1 by 4. So this option is also correct. Y of 0 equal to y of minus y equal to 1 by 4. This option is also correct. So what are the correct options? Option A, option B, option D, option C is the wrong. Friends, I open a new Telegram group. We can also join here. Link is given in the description. So go and join. Thank you.